Well, I got as far as opening it up. The box is over there. I took it out of this plastic and picked it up and heard that. It's in the top. Yeah, I think it's in the top, right where my thumb is. I'm gonna check it out. For $10, what do I expect? I had a feeling something had to go wrong with it being $10. I was just bored. $10 free shipping, and it came with this type thermal probe, which looks cool, and regular standard, but the nice test leads. Anyway. I'm gonna put the battery in, see what the hell that shaking noise, that rattling noise is.